Exodus 15:23. This is just really, really cool to me. I'm sure a lot of you know this, but it says when the Israelites came out of Egypt, and they were complaining about not having any food and water. And 23 it says, and when they came to Marah, they could not drink the waters of Marah, for they were bitter, because it was named Marah. So the people grumbled at Moses, saying, what shall we drink? And then he cried out to the Lord, and the Lord showed him a tree. And he threw it into the waters, and the waters became sweet. And they made a statute and a regulation, and there he tested them. This is really cool. They came to the waters that were bitter, that nobody could drink them because it was so bitter. And what was the solution for the bitterness? The Lord showed Moses a tree, and he threw it into water, and he got rid of the bitterness. And that is to me, that's the only solution that I can find for whenever we are engaged with unforgiveness, or when we are engaged with jealousy or anger or bitterness. The only thing that we can do is throw a tree into the mix. The only thing that we can do is throw the cross into the mix. The cross, to crucify our flesh, because we are such a selfish people. You know, what right do we have to get offended at people? What right, if we've given up our rights, if we've given everything into the Lord and given up our rights, what right do we have to be offended at people? What right do we have to take an offense at them and to carry that and to harbor that and engage in all these things? We don't. If we truly crucified, if we truly are taking up our cross daily and are crucified to the cross and giving it up to the Lord, then that won't be an issue in your life. That will not be an issue. If you are a servant, if you are seeking to be a servant of Jesus Christ, that, it doesn't matter. Use me, abuse me, whatever. I'm for the Lord. The Lord is going to take care of me. The Lord is my rock. He's my refuge. He's my strength. He's my deliverer. So whatever you go through, whatever pain that is inflicted upon you by the people that come and they offend you or they break you or just whatever it is, whatever offense, it doesn't matter. The Lord is your rock. The Lord is your refuge. Not these people. People are